cost of goods sold. So, tinototal lang ni cost of goods sold yung tatlo. And then, lastly, si budgeted income statement. Si budgeted income statement, yan nga yung na-mention ko sa inyo, comprises all of the budgets above. Okay? So, i-construct nyo siya ng sama-sama, lahat ng budgeted based on this sub-budgets. So, ipag-comprehensive or ipag-consolidate ni budgeted income statement yun. Okay? So, let's go on more detailed examples or concept for each type of budget. So, we have here the sales budget. Sabi niya dyan, literal lang siya or straightforward lang po siya ulit. Sales budget is the expected sales per period. So, like, at the beginning of the month, magbabudget ako or ang expected